Hello, everybody. It's the first screencast of the 2022-23 school year, and it's Schoology and Edpuzzle integration. So, as your trainers mentioned during your training sessions the last several days, Edpuzzle is now integrated in Schoology, which means some really good things in terms of class management and distributing videos to students. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to come into course content and I'm going to come into my early 80s folder here. And I already posted this, so I'm going to show you how to do it now. So we're going to go add materials, and then over here you'll notice it says Edpuzzle, so I'm going to select that. And this is automatically defaulting to my Edpuzzle, which you may be prompted to log in the first time. You can add new content here right in the window, but I'm going to scroll down and select a video that I've already got. Daylight savings time, how is this still a thing? This is an Edpuzzle that I used for training session years ago. And I can preview it here if I'd like, but that's definitely the one I want to use. So I click next. I can, select my options here, and then I click assign. And it's going to come right into this class. Here it is. Okay. Now, if I go over to the gradebook, you'll notice because I haven't made it an assignment, there's nothing here in the gradebook. So I'm going to come back over here to materials, course content, early 80s, and I'm going to click the settings gear over here, and I am going to click edit. And I am going to turn on enable grading, and I am going to change the point value to 5, and I can put in my due dates here. So I will say the due date is tomorrow at 11:59. Category, you must select a category for this to show up in your gradebook and enable automatic grading. Classwork, scale, SV, school scale. And first marking period is what I want. Save changes. Okay. So now when I go to gradebook, you'll notice it says daylight savings time. It's been added automatically to the gradebook. All right. And let me just show you now. So right now I have Dana Hines and Matt Reed as students in my sample Schoology training class here. I asked Matt to quickly complete the other assignment that I have in here, voting on Tuesdays in Edpuzzle, and he did. And so now I can come to the Edpuzzle management piece right here, click that, and it's going to bring up all the videos that I've assigned. And this is the one you'll notice right here. I have 1 of 1 turned in, and there's 1 answer to grade. I have 1 short answer in here. So I click on that, and Matt selected 1845, and that is correct. I mark that correct. Show all. There we go. I can leave a comment for Matt if I'd like, but I'm not going to. All right. So he selected 3 wrong answers and 1 correct answer. All right. So when I go back over to my gradebook, now you'll notice right here, I'm sorry, he had 4 correct answers. So when I look at my gradebook here, he has 100 out of 100. It automatically populated. So the news here is that you don't need to set up classes like you used to have to sync. You have to, sync between Google Classroom and Edpuzzle. You no longer need to do that. As long as you assign it in a Schoology class with the method that I just showed you and edit it so that you enable grading, the grade will automatically populate in your Schoology gradebook. No other manual recording necessary, no class setup. It's really super easy. The only thing you're going to have to do is go into Edpuzzle independently and create your content, or find, search existing content and add that to your content folder, and then you just easily distribute them to your Schoology classes. So I hope you find that useful. Hope you find that good news. And of course, if you have any questions, you should let me know.